Why persistence beats motivation? In a small town, a boy named Daniel walks to school with his books. He is not the smartest in class or the fastest in sports, but he has one powerful quality: he never gives up. Daniel's classmates often say, "We will study when we feel motivated." They work hard, but some days. But on other days, they get lazy and do nothing. Their effort rises and falls like waves. Daniel chooses a different path. He wakes up early, revises his notes, solves math problems, and studies every single day. Whether he feels like it or not, his routine becomes his strength. Many mornings he feels tired. Some evenings he is tempted to stop. Failure whispers in his ear, "This is too hard, quit now." But Daniel promises himself, "If I keep going, I will improve." The report cards arrive. Many students who depended only on motivation are disappointed, but Daniel's hard work shines. He is among the top scorers of the school. The teacher, surprised, asks, "Daniel, you were never the most talented student. How did you achieve this?" The whole class listens carefully. Daniel smiles and says, "Motivation comes and goes, but persistence stays." Small daily actions may look simple, but together they create great success. A seed cannot grow into a tree with water only once. It needs care every single day. History also proves this truth. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed more than 10,000 times before he finally succeeded. When people asked if he felt like a failure, Edison calmly said, "I haven't failed. I have simply found 10,000 ways that do not work." His persistence gave the world light. If he had waited for motivation, how would have stopped long before success came? This story tells us climbing a mountain is not done in one big jump. It is done one small step at a time. Motivation may start your journey, but only persistence will take you to the top.